Hello. We are playing Rain World today, which I have never played before, but I've seen videos of it. New DLCs detected you. Cool. Um, like, I've seen this game, right? I know what it looks like, and it looks pretty cool. I have no idea how it works from those videos that I saw. I have no idea. Wait. Oh, there's more. Oh yeah, okay. There's more cats. Wait, which one is the default? Probably this one. Probably this one, right? Because, like, he's white on the thing. Alright. So, I don't know how this game works, but it just... We'll figure it out. I know the rain kills you, that's it. And you can throw stuff and you need to eat. That looks cool. Oh, they're eating the little bats. I see. Rain. Thunder. Oh no. I'm gonna guess without one. Also, now I get to draw Rain World for the thumbnail, which I'm looking forward to that. It seems like a fun thing to draw. 'Cause the cats look kind of cute. Oh, we just came out of the sewer. You can't jump that high, can you? Oh, what the heck? Wait. Okay, I like the animations in this game. They're kind of funny. You're hungry, get food. I see blue things. Is that food? How do I get it? What's that? Drop me food. Or can you eat this? No. What? Oh, you can climb this. Oh, wait, are you telling me what to do? Catch and eat them. How do I catch them? How do I eat them? Oh, just hold the button. Okay. Wait, oh, you can throw them like that. Okay. Oh, okay, I see. That's your hunger meter. Okay. I don't know if I called them bats. I don't know if they're bats. 4 is enough to hibernate. What is hibernate? I'm gonna eat 5. Additional food is kept for later. Interesting. I already did that for the bats. Can I eat it? I can. Can you grab more items? Oh, you can. What? Wait, yeah, I know. Can I store items? If I throw this on that. I just do a backflip. Wait. Oh. Rain is coming. What? Where do I go? Here? Here. Oh, okay. So, okay, you have to find these like faults when there's rain. I see. All right. Oh, and now I'm hungry. Wait. There we go. Now I'm not hungry. Go and explore. There's food and shelter to be found. Beware of predators. Whoa. Damn. You could throw this good. I'm gonna keep that. That's a good weapon, I think. Oh, what is this? Is that a spear? Oh. Can you switch hands? No? Okay. Can you... Wait, you can... Oh my god, that's awesome. Now I don't have my spear anymore. But you could... Okay, I was like, what is going through that pipe? But it was nothing. No, I don't want to go in there. I want to go in here. We're outside. Is there any weapons? Oh, that's dangerous. Okay, there's a dude there. No need to... Okay, need to worry. Oh god. We need to worry. Oh, there's a purple one here. Wait, oh, do you need 4 food points when you... I don't know what's going on over there. I don't think I want to jump down here. Oh, I don't have a choice. Okay. Oh, wait. How do I get in there? No? Okay. Oh, wait, I can walk here. Wait. What? What? Eh. Hold on. Eat that. Eat that one. There we go. And take the spear. Wait, can I not? I can't take the spear. Why is the screen vibrating? Wait, that means rain, doesn't it? I'm going to die. Wait, you can climb walls? How do I get down there? I want to go down here. Oh, here. Is this a safe spot? I'm gonna die. What is this? Can I swim faster, please? Where am I? I'm dead. Food. I would like a spear so I can get up here. Oh, they're killing each other. What? You know what? That works for me. I did not mean to go down here. But okay, that kills you like instantly. That's cool. Oh, hi. Oh. Where's the thing? Oh god. Okay. You want me to go down? Okay. Uh-oh. Well, I can see that he's there, but I kind of need to go that way. Can I kill him? That was a tree. Oh, what? What is that? Why? Can they not follow me on this stuff? I guess they can't follow me. Okay. I think I'm going the wrong way. Wait, you want me to go up here? What? Where is that? Oh! Is this a checkpoint? Oh, it is! Okay. Cool. And now we need to find a lot of food. That's fine. Let's just go. Okay, this is where I came from.
Surprise!
What the hell? When do they die? Oh, you can jump over them. Okay. I don't know what they are, but I don't trust them. Okay, they don't seem to do much. Which is good. I'm all for that. Can I not make that? Okay, there we go. That was an attack. Okay. What? Why are you here? Can I eat this? I can eat it. Okay. Go up here. You bastard! I I made good progress. Seriously? Does it save my map? Oh, I think it might. It does. It does. It does. I want to go up there. Yeah, you just fight. You eat each other. I don't have to be your food. What are they doing, dude? Please just get out of the way. I want to go that way. Oh, you've spotted me. Nope. Okay, well that didn't work. Wait, what? How am I not dead? I thought I was dead. Apparently, I'm not. Stop. Whoa. No, eat. What just happened? No, eat the other thing. Oh, God. Wait. I just chucked this thing. Oh no. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ah, the sky's getting darker. Wait. Here. This way? I don't know what that is. I don't care. That's a safe. I think. Oh no. You've got to be kidding. Yes! Oh my god! I was right. Okay, so that's how you recognize safes. Oh. Alright then. Alright, that's gonna be it. I think I like this game. Why did I press continue? I think I like this game. It's, different. And it's hard. But I think I like it. Alright. Bye.